Hey guys, Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. It's been a whirlwind couple of days, guys. I wanted to give you guys an update. They are drilling the well today. I don't know how long it takes to drill a well, but I guess we'll find out. Very excited about this. So I wanted to thank all of you who prayed for my family. My nephew is in the hospital. He is 38 years old, and he went to the ER yesterday, and they admitted him. His oxygen levels were low. My mother wasn't feeling well, and she's in her 80s, or she's 80. And so yesterday I did make chicken soup. I didn't can it because I just needed to get something for her and something for him for when he gets home. So he has a little doggy named Logan, and the doggy was at his condo, and so me and my very best friend went and picked up the doggy. We were very cautious with our movements, and we were in and out in probably less than 6 or 7 minutes, and took the doggy to a doggy daycare where he'll be cared for and can visit with other doggies and will be safe until my nephew gets home. And I'm so thankful. We were really worried about the doggy too, but your prayers are being answered. Please continue to pray. He is doing better, but he's not going to get to come home for several days. Please pray for my mother, who we suspect may have been exposed with him. I took her chicken soup this morning and dropped it off. I didn't even get to see her. I just dropped it off. She ate it, and she said she's feeling much better. I did put chicken soup in my nephew's refrigerator for him, so when he gets home he'll have that with him. But I will do another video on canning the chicken soup because it turned out fantastic. I'm so thankful that it turned out fantastic and is so full of goodness. But let me show you what's going on up here. Guys, it's about 98 degrees. We're supposed to hit 100 today, but after today we're supposed to be in the mid 80s and the mid 50s at night. We need it so desperately. It is just so hot. It's that old black gumbo soil. Ah! They've gone about 100 feet so far. Maybe we'll strike oil. So there's several rivers that run up underneath us. We got the Trinity, we got the Paluxy, we got the Woodbine, and I think we'll go through a couple of those before we get down to where we feel like it's the water that we feel safe with. I think the Brazos is in there as well. Pretty incredible. So Greg did spray this morning finally with the Azotin O. We had to pull up the squash plants. We have some tomatoes coming up. We are so praying that the Azotin works on those aphids. We are still battling them like crazy. So let me show you what's going on. So you can see here that my broccoli, my cabbage is really doing fantastic in here. Can't wait. And there's my kohlrabi. Cannot wait, guys, for it to cool off. So I planted some daikon radishes and some other radish varieties here. Here are my onions, sweet potatoes, which our first batch is probably going to be ready in a couple of days, and I'll get to canning these. So here is my celery. My radishes are starting to come up here. These are the Saxon variety. This is my arugula. Obviously I overseeded. I'll thin it out as it comes up. This is some of my Napa cabbage. And I lost one of my little bok choys, but I got others up there. I don't know, maybe I didn't. It might be alright. I got others up there that I need to transplant anyway. We're just going to let that azotin work in the soil over here so I can get some more stuff in here. And my carrots are starting to germinate, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Can you see that little tomato there? And we have some on the blueberry vines as well. I really expect after this week, when we get down into the 50s, we're going to start seeing more of these flowers set. So this bed is ready for my spinach. I am not putting anything in there until this 100-degree temperature goes away today. And then look at all this over here, guys. These are really doing well. They are liking their spot. I think they're getting a little hot today, expected so, but yeah, I think we're going to do well with these in this raised bed. Here's more of that bok choy that I put in the 4-inch pots, and look, see this, guys? These are leaf miners, and I've been spraying, trying to fight them. It says we should remove the infected leaves and keep spraying daily for about a week. I tell you what, it's just been a struggle this year. So my lettuces are starting to come up. A lot of my seedlings are doing pretty well, except for this spinach, and that's okay because I'll plant seed out there in that raised bed. So I had some jalapenos, and I went ahead and canned up 4 quarts for Greg. He loves his pickled jalapenos. I did a video on that, guys, 3 or 4 years ago, and they are really good. Be sure and go check that one out if you have a lot of jalapenos, a lot of excess. But anyway, so things are starting to settle down a little bit for our family. Praise the Lord, and so keep praying for us. And pretty tired today, so I'm just about done for my day. I'm going to go and watch a little bit of TV and just chill a little bit. We've been running around like crazy. Thank you, guys. Thank each and every one of you. So stay in touch. We have lots more going on. Cool weather's on its way. They're not saying anything about rain, but I'm hoping that they're wrong, and I'm hoping that we get some rain. So take care. God bless. We'll be in touch. And again, thank you all for your prayers.